Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. For today's video, I will show you how to recover deleted videos from your TikTok account. Well, the first thing that you need to do is to go to your TikTok application and then just find a random video on your TikTok to delete. And then after that, to recover your TikTok video, go to the top part of your profile and then click the three horizontal line on the right corner. And then after that, go to report a problem and then click it. And then scroll down. Then the next thing that you need to do is to click videos and sounds. Then after that, find the video missing and click. And then just click other. Now the next thing that you need to do is to read what it says. Then click no. After that, just click need more help. And then we just need to write an explanation why we deleted our video and then just submit it. And then let's just wait for TikTok to respond regarding the concern that we sent or regarding the video that we deleted, which is important to us. So that is how to recover deleted videos from your TikTok account. Please don't forget to leave a comment, like, and subscribe if this video helped you. Thank you and be safe.